You're not going to believe what Google just did. They launched an AI that helps you make money online without a single line of code. No programming, no tech background, nothing. Just your brain, this tool, and a Wi-Fi connection. It's like if ChatGPT and Shopify had a baby, and that baby was trained by Google. And while most people are sleeping on it, the smart ones, the fast movers, they're already building entire income streams using this. The kicker? Google doesn't want this to go viral just yet. It's hidden inside something they're testing called WOAH. And I'm gonna break down how you can use it before it blows up. Let's rewind for a second. 2 years ago, I was broke. Like, dead broke. Trying every AI side hustle out there. Ebooks, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, you name it. I even paid $297 for a secret course that just turned out to be someone reading Reddit threads out loud. Nothing worked. I was about to quit. But here's the thing. Every failure taught me something. Most tools aren't built for us. They're built for coders, for developers, for people who already know the game. But then Google flipped the entire table. They dropped WOAH, a tool designed for the non-tech guy. The gym owner, the college kid, the side hustle hustler. With WOAH, you can literally describe what you want, like build me a lead generation page for AI tools or create a quiz funnel for crypto investors. And boom, it creates the app, the back end, the user flow, all without code. Let me repeat that. Google has created an AI that builds income-generating web apps from plain English, and no one's talking about it, yet. Now I know what you're thinking. Come on, this sounds like another AI scam. But this is Google, the same company running the internet. They're not selling a course. They're not asking for $9.97s. They're just quietly launching tools because they want to test how real users will use them. And that's where the opportunity is. Here's what I did. I typed in create a microsite that recommends the best AI tools for freelancers with affiliate links embedded. WOAH built the whole thing. Then I added an offer wall. Yes, Google just made that too. So anyone who wanted access had to either subscribe, click an ad, or enter their email. I got 124 emails in 48 hours. Think about that. A 10-minute app, no coding, real leads, real income. And if you think this is some beta tool that'll be gone tomorrow, wrong. Google is baking this into their future plans. They're tired of Apple and Meta eating up creator attention. They're building an ecosystem where creators get paid directly through AI. Let's talk money. A creator I know, he built a niche calculator for e-commerce returns using WOAH. He used a simple TikTok to promote it. That video did 38K views. He made $2,170 in 6 days through affiliate clicks and offer wall taps. And this is just the start. Because here's the crazy part. WOAH isn't even public yet, it's in labs. That means the moment it goes mainstream, the traffic will explode. And the people who already have something live, they'll win. Just like buying Bitcoin at M0. $9 or launching a Shopify store before lockdowns. Timing matters more than tools. But here's where most people mess up. They hear about something like this and do nothing. They wait. They watch. They get stuck in the loop of research. Meanwhile, someone else just took their idea, launched it, and made $1,000 by dinner. This isn't theory. It's happening. Right now. So let me show you how you can ride this wave. Step 1. Go to labswithgoogle.com. Search for WOAH. Join the waitlist. Or if you see it open, dive in immediately. Step 2. Don't overthink it. Pick a simple problem. Help landlords collect rent. Help freelancers send contracts. Help YouTubers find royalty-free music. Anything. Then describe it to WOAH like you would to an assistant. It'll build the app. Step 3. Monetize. Use OfferWall if you're a beginner. Google will handle the back-end offers. Or attach affiliate links, payment buttons, or email opt-ins. That's it. Real app, real traffic, real income, and no code. Now here's a bonus no one is talking about. Google tracks everything built in labs. That means if your app gets traction, they can feature it, boost it, even offer you partnership options. That's how Google plays. They build tools, watch for signal, and then pour gasoline on the winners. If you want to be one of those winners, this is your shot. Don't wait until everyone's talking about WOAH. Be the one that people talk about. And listen, if this blew your mind, there's more coming. I'm breaking down the full monetization funnel in the next video. We'll cover traffic hacks, SEO strategies, and how to scale your Opal project into a full-time income. So smash that like button. Drop a comment if you want my full prompt list. Subscribe and hit the bell because I promise, you do not want to miss what's coming next. This isn't just the future of making money online. This is the future of the internet, and you just got in early. Let's go.